really excited that we got a chance to be at this today to show women empowerment within the Polynesian community.
Yes, amazing.
Amazing
we love
speakers.
our Polynesian women.
I think this event was perfect for me, very inspiring and very powerful for a stay-at-home mom like me.
This event was so wonderful. Look good, feel good. I'm leaving feeling good and looking good, and with so much knowledge and with so much community and love. I loved it.
I really enjoyed it. It was beautiful and innovating and motivation. You know, it gives us motivation to be powerful women that we will be, and we are. So, but everybody here was just amazing. The host, the Women's Alliance, it's just perfect.
I love it. It was full of full positive women, and it was amazing.
So this event has been incredible so far. Granted, it is the end. The very beginning, I came in feeling kind of but now I am definitely leaving here with an uplift in my heart, but also the ability to be able to know that I can progress forward as a person who I am within my culture and within myself.
I liked all the different subjects that they were talking about. It's nice to mingle with all of these other women here and to feel more empowered and to be around more people that want to do the same things I do.
I think this event is amazing because it brings not just women together, but our people, our Polynesian Pacific Islander women together. And it helps make us a stronger community, and I love it.